Good morning, YouTube. I am very excited today. I ordered these things so long ago. These are Ticpods. I'm very eager to see how they compare to my current favorite true wireless earphones, which are these, the Hacky Wireless. I love these. I use these all the time. They're fantastic. And I'm also eager to see how they compare to these. These have been the Bluetooth earbuds that I've used the most in 2018. I love these guys. These are the One Plus. I'll have a video about these separately. Okay. I still haven't tried AirPods. These things kind of look like AirPods. What color did I get? These are blue. Oh, I forgot what color I got. Model WG72016. Device name. Ticpods 351C. Mobvoi made in China. Nice packaging. Bluetooth 4.2. Capacitive touch controls. 85 milliamp hours times 2. 700 milliamp hour charging case. Cool. In-ear detection, voice assistant support, ambient noise cancellation, call audio in both earbuds. See, these should be pretty awesome. Here goes. Wow. Even nicer than I thought. Ooh. That looks sweet. That looks really, really, really good quality. Really durable, really nice, immediate impression. Wow. I haven't even taken the plastic off. Okay, let's take the plastic off. Oh yeah. Damn. Look at that, look at that. Unfortunately, that is not USB-C. That's a letdown. Ticpods. Huh, that's a real letdown. Okay, let me open it. Wow. So as soon as I opened it, 2 green lights turned on there. Okay. They're already talking, even though they're not in my ear. So there's an LED on the inside, huh? This case closes too easily. See? And this thing is making all kinds of noises again. Okay, so there's this lanyard for the case. Oh, that's what that's for. Uh-huh. That was much easier to do than I would have expected. Okay, good. Uh-huh. That's USB-C? What is this? Huh. Cool. This was like a stretch goal, I remember this. I guess I'll go through these quickly. 2-second holding down is pause play. 3 gestures. Automatic in-ear detection. Software update, cool. That's it, that's the whole manual. Okay, I'm gonna try them on now. I heard Bluetooth pairing. Huh, fits pretty good. Looks less stupid than I thought. Doesn't look as stupid as those AirPods do. They're pretty solid. I like how they stay in. That's just with the default tips. Ticpods 351C connected. Okay, music time. Oh, this volume touch control works pretty good. They sound okay. They sound good. Average. Oh, that was next song. They're very trebly sounding. Yeah, not enough bass. Okay, I'm gonna use these for a couple of days and tell you what I think. So far, I really like them. Except for the no USB-C. But yeah, nice. Headphone update. Oh, already the latest version. Okay. Oh, there's a user manual that comes with the app. Cool. So I've been using these guys now for almost 2 days. They're really good. I like them. I see myself using them for a while, but I have a couple of issues with them. Let me first tell you the things I like. They pair right away, so as soon as you put them on, you can start listening to whatever you're listening to. There, it's playing now. It just started playing automatically. This is my problem with it though. If I want to stop it, let's say someone wants to come and talk to me, this is one way I can stop it. I can take it out of my ear and it stops pretty fast. It's good. This is a good feature. I haven't seen it before in any earphones I've had. And then when you finish your conversation or whatever you need to pay attention on, put it back. And there, it just started playing again. So that's pretty easy. But what if I just want to stop it and leave it in my ears? This is what I have to do. One, there. I have to hold it for 2 seconds. I find that very, very inconvenient. It should be just one tap, or maybe 2 taps if one tap triggers too easily. 2 taps should stop it, and 2 taps should start it again. The good thing is, Mobvoi could fix this with an update. They could just change the controls. I doubt they're gonna do that, but I'm not really fond of this holding it for 2 seconds to start and stop. Sometimes also when I'm holding it in my hand, I hear it just starting because it felt that touch for 2 seconds. So that start stop could be set up a lot better. Just kind of an issue for me. That doesn't compare to the Hackies, which have a button that you can just push on and off to start and stop. Same with the OnePlus Bullet earphones, you can just stop it really, really quickly. This you can't. Sound quality is fine. It's completely fine for this type of earphone. You're not gonna get a lot of bass. Unfortunately, the Hacky is a little bit better in that respect too. They're pretty good at staying in my ear. They're not 100%. I'm pretty sure I can, if I try hard enough, shake them out. But they should be fine for going for a run or going to the gym. I haven't tried that yet, but I will. But overall, I like them. I like the look a lot. And I like the volume controls. It's the easiest I've ever seen to change volumes. So that works pretty good. Battery life I can't comment on because I've only had it for a couple of days. It's been working fine. Another thing I must say, which is a lot better than Hacky that I like about this, is it's so easy to put them in the case and take them out of the case. you pretty much just have to drop them around the general area and they drop right into the case. So that is great. Lastly, the other issue I have with this is the lid for this case does not look very sturdy at all. It opens and closes easily. It feels like this hinge isn't that strong. And this plastic case the lid could break easily. I don't think that'll affect though the charging, so you'd still be able to use this in terms of charging, but you can't really transport it around easily with that lid. But anyway, that hasn't happened. But I think this could be stronger and more durable. I like the size. The size is really good. It even fits in the little inner pocket of my jeans. And I like this lanyard because it's easy to then see that you have it and pull it out. Yeah, so very, very happy with that. Okay, so that is my very quick unboxing and first impressions of the Ticpod free earphones. Thank you for watching.